So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can demo trade in your Bitget account. So guys, if you're trying to do demo trading but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So guys, you just need to go ahead and be in this page, and once you're here, just go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom. And once you're here, we just need to go ahead and find futures. So you can find futures right under product over here. You can see buy crypto, spot, finally futures. Go ahead and tap here. You'll be led to this another page, and now at the top bar you can find spot trading, futures trading, trading bots, copy trading, and finally demo trading. So this is the one that we need. Just go ahead and tap on demo trading. You can see that demo trading is done with separate accounts. You can either choose to demo trade with USDT and futures demo or coin and futures demo. So let's say I'm going to use the first one. So once I tap here, it would be in this page. Now you can just try to demo trade. So let's say you want to buy crypto. Go ahead and tap on buy crypto. Once you're here, you select the type that you want. So let's say I want to buy this one. Go ahead and tap on buy. And it says right here that in order to access these services, you need to have your identify verified, and you need to bind your email, and you also need to bind your mobile number. So guys, once you have done all of them, you can be able to buy and sell USDT. So trading is mostly about buying and selling, so you cannot do anything without verifying your identity and binding your phone number and email. So make sure you do that. And there you go. This is how you do demo trading in your Bitget account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.